Friends, this is Shunyadama Matt Dasappa's DDRRS Research Center. All in zero, all from zero, all to zero. Zero is the subject that cannot be grasped through our five senses. Friends, body cannot function without soul. Soul is the energy, soul is the power, soul is eternal. But body is just a perishable object. Important thing to be noted is soul is invisible. Some people say soul is placed in the heart, and some people say soul is placed in the middle of the forehead. But according to DDRRS, the energy or the power which we call soul is present from the tip of the toe to the top of the head. It is there in every part of the body. Soul is a heap or a pile of acterias. Acterias are the pieces of aspirate. Acteria is the word coined by the deep thinker Dasappa. Well, let's know the minuteness of acterias. Friends, if all the 9 planets are weighed equally with the poppy seeds, that number of poppy seeds we get from it with the proportion of the weight of 9 planets, that number of acterias are revolving in a pinpoint of diameter everywhere. Let it be human body, let it be in the space, or let it be in any physical object. This shows the nature of minuteness of the invisible functioning. What we should understand by this is all the physical things get energy from the invisible power, and that invisible power is called zero. But we have given shapes to that invisible power and call them as gods. Friends, man's potential is very much limited. In a big mountain, what we know is just a small stone, but the remaining huge area is not known to us. The potential of our 5 senses is very, very less. That's why wise people say, I know that I don't know. Deep thinker Dasappa dedicated his whole life in search of such realities through his super sense and discovered the 7 consonantary balls, which no philosopher nor a scientist has ever discovered or explained about it in detail in the history of mankind. I'll talk about the 7 consonantary balls exclusively in the next video. Thank you, friends.